The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Killer, you see. So, a fight broke out at the Jamaica versus Panama match on Sunday, June 30, 2019 at the Lincoln Financial Field. That's at Philadelphia, United States of America, right? Now, this fight that happened has people guessing or speculating, saying that the fight is between Jamaican supporters and other persons that is supporting other teams. You see me? Now, none of this has been confirmed. You get what I'm saying to you? And that's why I'm even bring this little video to you, you know, bits and pieces of a video, because I'm not really here to glorify violence, but I just want my viewers and subscribers to get an idea what really takes place. You see me? So here I'm going to show you bits and pieces of video, but as always, you know, it's about a fight, so some of the things in this might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Observe. So there you have it, a fight broke out at the Jamaica versus Panama match at the Lincoln Financial Stadium, that's in Philadelphia, United States of America, you know, and nobody, you know, there's no confirmation of why or how this fight even started, but it happens anyway. And this video hit social media where persons are wondering which supporters are the one that are involved in this actual fight. You know that some of the things are going to be asked like this. You see, Jamaica won that match, you see me, and that match was a quarterfinals, and now Jamaica is on to the semifinals. And the next match for Jamaica will be Jamaica versus United States of America. That's on the 3rd of July, which will be Wednesday, you see me. And you don't know me, Dancehall Killer, I will keep you up to date and posted, you see me, of the CONCACAF matches and how everything is going on. You see me, I say, some people said that this fight happened at the bleachers, some call this thing a grandstand, you know, but either way, you know, I know that there's a difference between the two, but either way, you know that a fight at a match is just a bad thing. It don't matter where if it's either at the grandstand or if it's even at the bleachers. You see me? So here I leave it with you for you to look and think for yourself, and tell me what you think. And as always, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Killer. Big up on yourself. You see it?